Hello everyone, today we'll be solving the fourth level of Ethernaut, which is telephone. We have to claim the ownership of this contract and they have told us to use another contract. And why they have done, I'll explain you in a minute. So when you look at this contract, it's a very small one and the only thing we can call is change owner. So we'll send the owner, which is us. We want to become the owner. We'll send our address. And then there's a difference between tx.origin and message.sender. So tx.origin is the person who called the contract. For example, what is happening is there are three contracts and me as a person. If I uh, called one contract and that contract calls another contract and that contract then calls another contract, message.senders are changing, but tx.origin is my address. Tx.origin is my address while the message.senders are changing. Message.sender will be the contract or the person who called that specific contract. Tx.origin is the person who made that specific request from which this chain has been working. So let me get a new instance here. It's just that tx.origin should not equal to message.sender. So we'll use an external contract. So message.sender is like the contract we are using and tx.origin is us. So here I've already written the attack contract, and what it does is it is an attack interface and it calls change owner function. How it calls that? A function change external attack change owner. So what is happening? This contract has a function which will call the function of the contract we have to attack. So here it's calling attack.change owner. I'll be sending the address of that specific contract which I want to attack. I'll get that from here. We'll type in here contract.address and we'll copy this. This is the attack contract's address. We'll call to this address. And then attack is an interface. This interface can interact with the contract and call its functions. So now let me just deploy this. So after compiling, I can paste in the contract address and deploy it. Oh yeah, it's successfully deployed. So next I can go to interact, choose my account 7. You should check it. So like see 0x14D. Check here also 0x14D. Yeah, this is the account I will use. So I'll just click on change and it should work. Yeah, telephone change. And I should submit this instance. Yes, I've completed this level. So here also they have written the explanation, which is confusing tx.origin with message.sender, which can lead to phishing style attacks. So I hope you understood, and if you have any doubts, you can you can connect me on Discord. You can ask me for it, or if you want to like have specific problems with this video, you can comment down. And thank you for watching.